Hi guys, welcome back to the shop, and today we're back on the Datsun. Now, if you're wondering how we got to this point in the build where it is in base and clear coat, we repainted this whole car, and I have over 30 videos showing you the process of how we took this beast from bare metal, back in epoxy primer, did all the body work and finishing work, and then got it to where it is today, which is in base and clear and final paint. Now, it still needs to be cut and buffed. We're going to do that much later on in the build for the simple reason that if you cut and buff right now before you've assembled the rest of the car and you happen to scratch it, which is inevitable, it's going to happen, sometime during the build something is going to scrape on this good looking clear coat after you cut and buffed it, and then you're not going to have enough clear to rebuff that scratch out. So you run the risk of that. So I wait till the car is completely assembled, done, ready to be a final wash, and then I cut and buff and wash it again. So if you're wondering why we haven't done that yet, that's why. What we need to do today is get some hardware on the driver's door and swap out all the internal guts. Now, if you remember back during this process, somewhere around week 2, we had a badly damaged driver's door that we tried to repair. Now, I originally cut that skin off thinking I was just going to reskin the original door. Well, luckily, I was able to find and source some used doors. Now, there are risks associated with buying used doors. One being that the used door that you're spending money on is in just as bad a condition as the one you're trying to fix. That's impossible to fix. So I took a risk, the price was low enough, and luckily the damaged areas on the door that we replaced it with were actually the good areas on the door that we cut the skin off. So I cut those areas of the good skin off and welded them onto the bad areas after I cut those off of the replacement door. We got everything in paint and bodywork completed, and it's now a painted finished door just like the rest of this car. However, all of the internal components, mechanisms, window tracks and window glass, regulator and all of that stuff, the latches, are not in that door shell right now. So we need to take all of the components from the original door and swap them over to this replacement door, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, my good friends at Z-Car Depot make an amazing fastener replacement kit. We're replacing a lot of the original hardware on this car with stainless fasteners just because they look good and they don't corrode over time. So that's what we're going to be doing today on this driver's door, is replacing all of the original components, swapping them over from the original door that we cut the skin off, putting the regulator, the window track, and all of the frame and window, latches, door handles, and everything into this replacement door that is just a door shell. Painted, looking good, but it doesn't have any components that make it a complete door. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Welcome to the shop. Let's get busy. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this stuff, click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as I get around to posting tomorrow's video. I appreciate you guys as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one. Now, if you're interested in how we got it to this stage right here, I have over 30 videos showing you all the steps and details of how you and your home shop garage type environment can get these kind of results on your own. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and check out the videos right here. And if you like that stuff, go ahead and click the thumbs up button on each of those videos, and obviously subscribe to the channel. We're getting a lot of new subscribers, but we haven't hit that magical 1,000 subscriber threshold that allows me to monetize the channel. And that really sucks because YouTube has changed their ad policy in which they will dictate whether they show ads or not on particular channels, regardless of if they're monetized or not. So you guys may be seeing commercials, ads, and everything else interrupting the progress of this project, and it's annoying, and you just click the skip ad. Well, normally I would get paid for that if we were over 1,000 subscribers, and it would help me do more stuff around the shop like this. But because we haven't hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, I get absolutely nothing. So if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as we get around to posting more amazing content like this. I hope you guys will join me on the next video, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.